Welcome to the Policy Evaluation demonstration. This video presents the evaluation phase of the policy-making process involving the policy-maker and stakeholders. It is based on the policy optimization and evaluation component, integrated with the text and sentiment analysis component. The policy evaluation component allows the policymaker to collect and analyze citizen feedback to enable simulation and evaluation of developed policies. The Policy Evaluation web interface interacts with the REST API of policy evaluation and sentiment analysis services to manage surveys and aggregate results. This is at a high level the flow of managing a survey in the Policy Evaluation tool. The video will show each step of the flow presented with the help of the demo. First, the policy manager can create a survey, based on a policy template obtained from our platform, a survey that can be an app survey, that is, stored and accessible from our web application, or a social survey, then posted on a social channel. At this point, stakeholders can fill out the published survey, and when the survey is closed at step 3, aggregate results are collected. Here, statistical calculations or the sentiment analysis tool can be used to calculate scores. Finally, the policymaker can evaluate the survey created using the graphs and charts used to represent the survey results. Let's start now to see the demonstration demo of the policy evaluation component. As a first step, a policymaker should enter in the VPME. Now, he should click on the Policy Evaluation button. At this point, the policymaker is redirected to the homepage of the Policy Evaluation component. Here, we can see the list of the defined or extracted policies retrieved through the Policy Management Service API. Now, we enter the Identify the Pedestrian Crossing with the Most Urgent Need of Improvements policy, and here, the available surveys for this policy are displayed. Surveys can belong to two categories: in-app surveys which are published within this component, or Mastodon surveys which are published on a social channel. First, we decide to create an in-app survey. This is the survey generator tool developed. After adding the main information such as name, description, and end date, we can add the survey elements. These in the list are the types of surveys available which can be used individually to create single surveys or can be aggregated to create more complex surveys. A preview is available to guide the policymaker. We can use the common surveys as a test. We enter a sample question and a sample objective. Now, we add also a checkbox survey and two options. Now, we go back to the survey generator homepage. In the section below, we can order or preview the surveys by clicking Save. We add the survey to the policy. Each survey, after the creation, is in draft status and become active when the Publish action is clicked. Before publishing a survey, we can also edit and view the complete survey created or delete it through the specific action for an app survey. The link for citizen stakeholders is generated through the Generate Link button. Here, we can choose to create a public access link that can be used publicly by multiple users, or to generate a limited set of access links that can only be used once. Now, we want to create a social survey and we decide to use Mastodon as a social channel. Here, we can choose to post a tweet on Mastodon from this application or retrieve a tweet from Mastodon. Then use this tool to retrieve a question posted on Mastodon by ID and create a survey. We choose the first option and insert survey, name, body and end date, clicking on the button. The tweet will be immediately posted on Mastodon. It can be viewed at this link. Once the survey is submitted, the tool collects and aggregates the responses from citizens. Here, statistical calculation or the sentiment analysis tool are used to calculate the scores. As a final operation, when a survey has been completed and citizens have responded, the policymaker can evaluate the feedback using the charts and graphs section in the result view. Here, we can see all the graphs and the aggregator results that can be used by the policymaker to evaluate and optimize the policy being created. Thanks for your attention.